Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change drive letter in Windows or a computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to navigate here at the start icon and please do a right click and then scroll up and go with this disk management. So the moment you have to click on it, wait until a new window would appear, which is the disk management window. Over here, you need to proceed to the drive that you want to change the drive letter with. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to select it. And once you have selected, please do a right click and go with this option called change drive letter and paths. So click on it, and the moment you have to click on it, this window would appear, which is a new window called Change Drive Letter and Paths for your USB drive or hard drive. Okay, so there you'll be able to see three options which are add, change, and remove. And since we'll be changing the drive letter of our drive, we need to click on the second, which is change. And afterwards, you would be able to see a new window where you can change drive letter or path. So here it has this assign the following drive letters. So click on this down arrow, and here you need to select the drive letter that you want to go with. Okay. So let's choose E in my case. I'll be choosing E. Okay, but in your case you can choose any of this. You can go with H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and so on. Okay. So once you have selected the drive letter that you want to go with, click on OK to continue. And here, some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? Just click on yes to proceed. And there you have that. You have just successfully changed the letter, in my case, from D to letter E. So let's check. So when we close the window and when we navigate here at the button search bar and we type for File Explorer, the moment you have typed it and when we proceed with Open to continue, there we have that. We have just set it here in letter E. So our drive letter is being enclosed actually with a parenthesis, which is E colon from D colon to E colon. Okay. So that's it. That's how simple to change the drive letter in our drive. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.